welcome back to my channel, Golden Honey. Or if you're newcomers, welcome, welcome, come on in. Come and subscribe to my channel, like my content, and leave me comments down below. You know I love y'all. So today I'm coming with you my very first hair video. I'm going to be using the Terressentials hair mud. Looks like that. This is for fine, thin, curly, coarse, kinky, curly, wavy, whatever you want to call it. Hair. If you have hair, it's for you. You can use this sucker. So, pretty much what's inside of this product is bentonite clay, herbs, essential oils, spices, flowers, stuff like that. So, yeah. And I have the Lavender Garden one, and I used this before when I first went natural, and I loved it. I love it. I just stopped using it for some reason. I probably didn't want to order it. I was too lazy. But it works pretty well. And you can use it also as a detox for your hair. It says on the back you can use it for 5 to 14 days. I say if you have some long hair, you probably want to get 2 bottles just to make sure, because 14 days is pretty long. Maybe 3 bottles. I don't have to have that long, so I don't know. But yeah. But for this Lavender Garden one, it has a little description on the back. They have different fragrance. They have the fragrance free, mint, spice, lavender, and lemon. So I'm gonna read the one for the lavender one. So it's moisturized for normal to dry, wavy, curly, kinky, and it has the different hair types on there. So if you want to go, I'm gonna leave the information to their site and link below, so you can check that out if you want to go to their website and check out their product. So, well, you can see today it's wash day, and my hair is way overdue and it needs to be washed. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish taking out my hair, and I'll show you how to apply this to your hair. So now that I've taken out my hair fully, I'm going to show you all the things you're going to need. So you're going to need the hair mud, of course, and it in a spray bottle full of water, and some hair clips. And it's even as optional. You can put it in any way you want to, but I'm going to put it in a bowl and apply it like you put it in a relaxer in your hair. Okay. And I also recommend that you can dilute it a little bit with water. I see some people put it in like bottles like these, and they squirt it in there, and then put water in, and then shake it up and apply it to the hair. But I'm not going to use that method, so because I want to really coat it on my hair, like thick. So yeah. First, I'm going to go ahead and wet my hair with the spray bottle here. And oh, by the way, this does not lather up, so don't expect it to lather up like shampoo. It won't. You'll be wasting your time waiting for it to lather up. So, yeah. So you put the shaker before you use it. And I'm going to pour some into this bowl. And I'm going to add a little bit of water to it, give it a little mix around, make it a little looser. And I'm going to part my hair into 4 sections. And I'll begin to apply the product. I pour about that much. Can't really see it. I'm just gonna pour, and I feel that if I need more, then I'm gonna add more and apply it. So I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair. Use my fingers. I'm gonna start off with this back section back here. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some water to this. Not too much. I added maybe 2 tablespoons to it. Let's stir up my fingers. So, it says it's consistency. So we'll show it. Ooh, I'm spilling it. It's pretty loose, but not too loose, you know? So, wipe that off. Okay, we'll go ahead and spray my hair. Get it, little rinse. So I'm gonna apply, if you know how to put in a relax in your hair, you can easily know how to apply this to your hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to around the edges, the outer layer of the hair. Okay, I'm gonna section it off and apply it to the scalp. Make sure you gently apply it to your hair. Don't rip your hair apart. Wipe your hair off in sections and apply to the scalp. Hope you can see that. Make sure we can see. Okay. Now I'm gonna add it to the length of the hair. And I will need more. I'm almost out already. I smell like lavender. Get them ends too. See how this part of my hair looks a little bit elongated compared to coarse hair? Yeah. This part of my hair is different a little bit compared to the very back of it. A little bit more. And don't mind my little shed hairs. I have a few of them, so it's been a while. Make sure you don't have those same shed hairs come back. You see that? Goes back into your hair. It will cause tangles. I can't get it off. Okay. So yeah. So anybody who ever tried this Terressentials, let me know what you think about it. You know, love to collaborate on these things. I think I got it in there good. Let me go ahead and two-strand twist this. Yeah, got it good. And I'm going to go ahead and clamp it on there. My hands will let me. There it looks. I'll take it out for you. Take one down, just one. To show you how it looks. Dried up a tiny bit. You saw it dried up right here. Yeah. So. My hair is reverting back up. Yeah. That's how it looks after you wait longer than 3 minutes, 2-3 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash it out, and I'm gonna show you the end results of my hair. I won't style it today, most likely. If I do, you'll see it. If I don't, it'll be another video. Most likely it won't be in this video because I'm pretty sure this is probably long. So try to make it short as possible. So don't forget, go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below and show some love, you know, share my video, don't forget that. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash it out and show the results. Alright guys, I'm back. I rinsed up all the hair mud out of my hair. I'm mud free, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how my hair looks after I've washed it out. Yeah, my hair is still it's still wet. You can see me dripping. So that's how my hair looks afterwards. My scalp is pretty clean. It's soft. I smell like flowers of the garden of lavender. So yeah, I recommend this product. It's pretty good. It doesn't really strip your hair. And like I said earlier, you can use this as a detox for your hair. So you want to get rid of those old buildup of products and stuff in your hair. This is a good way to get it out. And if you want to go make your hair feel like a virgin again, right? You get that. But anyways, go ahead, like and subscribe to my channel. While you newcomers, make sure you subscribe. Do not leave without subscribing to my channel. Check out my other content and wait for my next video. Most likely I have another hair video or how to make my body butter or slash everything butter for your hair, of course. And other garden videos. So I have those too. So also, I just opened up my very own online shop called Soft and Luscious. So I'm gonna leave that in the description box down below. You can check out my website. So I sell women apparel and it's very lovely. I wouldn't say, it's like a casual, elegant wear. So if you like wearing dresses, I recommend you going to my shop. And I might have other content for men and regular casual clothes later on. So go ahead and check out my website, softandluscious.com. And I'll leave that information in the description box below. Bye.